What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Daniel, and I'm here again to show you how to make deposits on your NOONES account. So if you've signed up already, these are these. If you have not signed up, use the link on my description to sign up. I will also leave it in the comment section. So once you sign up, you verify with your phone number. If you're from Nigeria, is available worldwide. So you just hit your dashboard. As you can see right here, they click on deposit crypto. Very easy. Once you click on deposit crypto, that will take you to a new page whereby you choose the crypto you want to deposit. Is it Bitcoin? Is it USDT? Mostly, I would advise you to deposit with USDT, which is Theta, if you're depositing for the first time. Because Theta, they are going to charge you just $1 to make deposit from any other wallet you're using Trust Wallet or Bybit or Binance. USDT for transfer is just $1, which is 1 USDT. So as you can see, these are my transfer history. You can see I've transferred up to $620 US. So the platform is secure, you will get it. So once you click on Theta, you can see your address. You want to choose around TRC20. Yeah, make sure it's there. Then you copy the address. Go to my wallet. This is my wallet I'll be transferring from a Bybit. So I'll just select USDT. You can see. So just minimize. Let me scan it. You can either copy and paste, but I prefer scanning. So I'll just scan it, as you can see. Scan it, and I'll select the network, which is the TRC20. Then the minimum amount you can send is 2.6. I'll just click max. Want to send the whole thing. You can see I'll be receiving 5.21. They charge me $1 right there. So I'll click on withdraw. So after clicking on withdraw, now you can see they're charging 1.3 USDT fee. That is $1.03. So they'll send me a verification copy. I just put now, verify, confirm. Very easy. This way I just withdrawed. My withdrawal has been sent from Bybit. That's a screenshot to my NOONES account. Successful. You can see that the screenshot also. And immediately NOONES have received the money, the Bitcoin. Sorry, the USDT. So I have to just come back here, refresh. So once you refresh, you can see the USDT will be in your wallet. Now, once it gets to your wallet, you can now use it for whatever you want. You can sell it, you can use it to trade. So that's how simple it is to deposit on your NOONES account. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be showing you more method on how to deposit without having to send from another wallet. How to deposit by buying inside NOONES account, like through the P2P method. You can check out my previous video. I've done something like that. See you guys in the next video.